Hey guys, today we'll be learning how to install Terra Station as an extension in your web browser. Let's get started.
Welcome to Netizak, Netizens' most active community, where community starts with Q and U.
Let's start installing the extension. Head over to Google and search Chrome Web Store. Over the first link in the search bar, search for the Terra Station extension and you will encounter a Terra Station wallet offered by Terra. Hit over the link. Over the Terra Station's wallet page, over to the right, click Add to Chrome and it will ask us for our confirmation whether we want to add this extension. Hit Add Extension and in a couple of seconds the download and installation will be complete. As you can see on the right, the extension has been added to the Chrome. Click on the extensions button, then Terra Station wallet. And since we are the new user for the Terra blockchain, we will require new wallet. When we select new wallet, it will ask us for the wallet name and password. Write wallet name as per your preference. I will be writing name and password. Copy of this mnemonic. This mnemonic is extremely important. If this is lost, someone else will be able to generate your public private key and your account will be lost. I have written down the mnemonic and hit submit. Now we have to confirm that we have safely kept our mnemonic with us. Confirming the second word, staff, 23rd word, scrap. Hit submit and wallet named Nathan and address has been generated. Congratulations. Now as you can see, we have 0 Lunas and 0 USDs in our account. Since on the top right blue settings button, you can see we are on the mainnet. Now go to the testnet and I'll show you how to get Lunas to your testnet account. Hit testnet and still we have 0 Lunas and 0 USDs. Click over the address, head over to the faucet.terra.money and paste out your address. Select the daemons you want to receive. In my case it would be Luna. Confirm the Google 3 captcha and hit send me tokens. And on the right in the pop-up you can see that 1000 Lunas have been sent. Now just refreshing the extensions page. Here we have 1000 Lunas. Similarly, you can either add USDs from the Terra faucet itself, or you can go to TerraSwap or AstroVault to swap the USDs. But that's the case of another video. See you then. Stay tuned. Bye bye.